In this video, I'm going to share how and why you must avoid small one-time commissions in affiliate marketing. See, small one-time commissions are the norm in affiliate marketing. Typically, they are only a few percent. To make significant money with them, you have to make a lot of sales every day. Well, most people, especially beginner affiliate marketers, just can't do that. But when you promote the right affiliate products the right way and get away from small one-time commissions, you can make much more money faster and easier. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer for years. It's how I sail most days in the summer and ski most days in the winter while I'm making money. Affiliate marketing is always my number one recommendation for those people looking to start making money online. If you are new to affiliate marketing, this is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. And there are affiliate marketing offers for almost everything you can think of. And you may have already bought something through affiliate marketing and maybe not even realized it. The reasons I love affiliate marketing, the reasons I recommend it are, first, that it can be so simple. It's perfect for online beginners, as no special skills are needed. It takes minimal time. And most importantly, the money you can make if you promote the right opportunities and do it the right way. Recently, I posted a video on how beginners really make money online. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out. So let me tell you a little bit about my number one recommended income stream and why it might be a great fit for you too. It's a unique affiliate marketing opportunity. In this business, we promote 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. And the company pays us an industry-leading 80% commissions. 80%. This is some of the best commissions in all of affiliate marketing. Remember, most affiliate commissions are only a few percent. Check out Amazon, for example. They're a huge affiliate marketplace. So with these 80% commissions, you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. That can really add up fast. My company also pays out passive or recurring income too on 3 of the products. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales that you make each day. Imagine still getting paid months from now for what you do today without having to put in any additional time. This opportunity is super simple. Anyone can do it. It's ideal for busy people looking to make more money around a current job, raising a family, or other things in life. Here's how you can build this affiliate business in very minimal time. First, you'll have your own high-converting online sales funnel. Lead capture pages, sales pages, and emails to send out. Yours will be just like the sales funnel I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. All of the techie stuff is done for you. You do not have to create anything. This system automates your business. It's how we make money in minimal time, literally just a few hours a week. And because this business is all done online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even in the middle of the night. And you can do this from almost anywhere you want to be. All you need is a computer or smartphone and internet access. I even do it while I'm out sailing. This affiliate business comes with excellent training and support, including a great training website with dozens of how-to videos and our unique Quick Start training strategy, which is how many new people make money their very first day. We hold daily, live, interactive conference calls on Zoom, led by industry leaders. You will learn everything from free traffic and lead generation methods to converting more sales. And these Zoom calls are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. We also have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love the team atmosphere here. And then probably the best thing to help ensure your affiliate marketing success and get you making more money faster is that I will mentor you personally. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Affiliate marketing success is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Think about what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. So to learn more about how to avoid small one-time commissions in affiliate marketing and to start making more money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.